The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this tutorial on StarBoard Conferencing feature. With StarBoard Conferencing, instructors can facilitate active participation through interactive virtual boards. They can also foster a collaborative teaching environment that allows for collaboration among multiple instructors. To host a conference, click on the Conference menu option, and choose the Host Shared Whiteboard button. This dialog will be displayed, and then in the username field, you can type in the name that you wish to see displayed in the conference. Click on the OK button to host the session. As host, you must share the IP address of the hosting computer with the conference participants so they can connect to the session. The host widget contains the following features. 1. Disconnect button. This is used for disconnecting from a conference. 2. Conference users list. This list contains all the usernames and icons. 3. Presenter button. A host or presenter can use this button to give presenter privileges to a selected user. 4. Remove user button. This appears only on the host's console, and allows the host user to remove a selected user from the conference. 5. Attention button. This allows the host to synchronize all users with the latest conference data. Next, joining a shared session as a member of the audience. To join a conference, click the conference from the menu option. Then choose Join Shared Whiteboard. This opens the following dialog. In the username field, type in the name that you wish to see displayed in the user list. You must type the host computer's IP address into the server field. Click on OK to join the conference. The audience widget contains the following features. 1. Disconnect button, which can be used to disconnect from the conference. 2. Conference users list displaying all the usernames and icons. 3. Raise hand, hand down button. As an audience user, you can use this button to request presenter privileges from the current presenter. 4. Sync, async button. This button allows you to synchronize to the latest conference data, or to temporarily navigate away from the shared board. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.